If you're like me, you're probably scared about the fact that AI is about to replace a lot of jobs. Right now, we've heard of companies laying off so many employees in their numbers, and most of them, they claim that they want to use the extra money to focus on AI. Now a lot of people are left without jobs and what to do to fend for their families. That shouldn't be you and me. No one deserves to experience such a thing. Right now, you need a lot of strategy, especially in the type of roles that you're looking for, to avoid being laid off. I'm an example of someone who was laid off, and there are a lot of people that are like me that have been laid off. But what I want out of this video is that by the time you are done watching this video, you should know the kind of roles that you should be focusing on so that you are not among the people that would be laid off in the coming months. In this video, I'm going to be highlighting high income roles that are going to be future-proof in 2026. The first on my list would be cybersecurity specialist. Now, the reason why this is the first on my list is the fact that AI is growing and more companies are leaning towards AI. It means that hackers are on the rise. It means that people are utilizing AI in the worst way possible to take advantage of other people. It means that there are a lot of data out there. There are a lot of people that need to safeguard this data from getting into the hands of hackers. And companies right now would invest heavily into cybersecurity specialists to ensure that their data is safe and protected from these hackers. The rise of AI is actually increasing the rise of cybercrime, and these companies need people that will protect their data and protect their digital assets. Based on an article posted by Dan Martell in September of 2025, it is estimated that cybersecurity specialists would earn anything from $100,000 to $130,000 per year. And this is one of the roles that would be in high demand in 2026. Right now, if you're already in tech or if you're looking to transition into tech, it is worth every penny to invest into cybersecurity because this is in full-blown high demand. And right now, the thing that people don't see is that this is a huge opportunity. Like if we're talking about roles that will be on the rise in the future, cybersecurity is one of them. And if you haven't started looking into this role, you need to pay very close attention to this role and invest in it because this role is here to stay. Number 2 on the list for me are data analysts. So there was a time that business analysts and data analyst roles became on the rise. Like people were talking about getting into data analysis and becoming a data analyst. Guys, if you didn't take that seriously before, now is the time to take it seriously because the rise of AI means that there are loads of data and these companies are looking for people that can make sense out of this data. Yes, there are a lot of AIs that can do a lot of things for us right now, but we still need the human part of it to be able to interpret this data into the business context so that it can make sense to these employers what this data mean for their business, if it's going to help them or not. So if you haven't made up your mind about being a data analyst all this while, now is the opportunity for you to become a data analyst. Also, according to this article that was produced by Dan Martell in September of 2025, it is estimated that data analysts would be earning anything from $100,000 to $130,000 per year. Now, for this part, I think it is slightly more saturated than the cybersecurity pathway. Reasons being that data analyst roles have been on the rise in the past few years. So there are a lot of people that are already on that pathway. So it might be a little saturated and the demand is quite high. However, that doesn't mean that it is impossible for you to secure a data analyst role. So definitely, if this is something that you are leaning towards, please jump on it. I beg you to jump on it. Now, the third on the list for me are software engineering roles. Now, this is beyond just coding. I know that right now there are a lot of AIs that write codes and it is like they necessarily do not need software engineers to do certain things right now. But what does it actually mean to be an advanced software engineer? So in this case, if we're talking about building scalable systems that are reliable, things like that really need a human being to oversee them. So at the end of the day, we do not need junior software engineers. We actually do need the full scale software engineers, if that makes sense. I don't think that software engineers would go out of job, but then again, you need to upskill to the point that you are irreplaceable. Think about it. According to Dan Martell article as well, it is estimated that these software engineers would earn anything between $120,000 to $160,000 every year. Now, this software engineering pathway is something that everyone already knows about. Software engineers didn't just pop out of nowhere. They've always been there. But I would say the competition is quite high because right now, even existing software engineers are actually trying to retrain to be better to avoid being replaced by AI. However, that doesn't mean that you don't stand a chance, right? The reason I'm giving out this information is for you to actually check which is easier for you to pivot into. And if this is easier for you, please jump on it. Guys, based on what is happening right now, these are the 3 roles that I would definitely encourage you to go into that will be future proof because of AI. Right now, AI is actually here to stay. No matter how scary it feels, no matter how hard it is to hear, no matter how difficult it is to understand, AI is actually here to stay. And it would only make sense to you if you are willing to embrace it rather than run away from it. Right now is your time to go all in. This is beyond your abilities. This is beyond your performance. This is beyond what you've done and what you haven't done. This is beyond a trend. This is reality. And the fact that it is happening, it means that you need to do all that you can do within your power to stay relevant. Things are difficult right now. We can't really afford to include not having a job in the multiple things that we're going through right now. So if there is anything to take out of this video, I want to urge you to upskill and actually focus on these roles that will help you to stay relevant in 2026 so that you wouldn't be put out of job. In this video, I spoke about the jobs that will be replaced by AI, so please feel free to watch it. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.